In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in Dropbox. This process is an essential step to securing your Dropbox account by adding an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. So let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your Dropbox homepage. If you're not already logged in, sign in using your credentials. Once you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. There, you will see your profile icon. Give it a click. This action will bring up a drop-down menu from which you need to select Settings. Next, you'll be greeted by the Settings page with several tabs at the top. Switch to the Security tab by clicking on it. This is where you'll find the option to toggle on two-factor authentication. Locate the toggle and switch it to On. Turning this on is crucial for adding that extra measure of security to your account. Once you've toggled it on, for security reasons, you will be required to confirm your identity. Enter your Dropbox account password to verify that it's really you making these changes. After entering your password, hit the Submit button to proceed. At this point, there are two authentication methods you can choose from, either through SMS text messages sent to your phone or by using an Authenticator app. For this demonstration, we'll choose the Authenticator app since it's generally considered more secure. Select the Authenticator app option and then click Submit to continue. Now it's time to pick up your phone. Open your preferred Authenticator app. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy work perfectly for this. Within the app, scan the QR code displayed on your Dropbox settings page. Scanning this QR code will link your Dropbox account to the app and generate a 6-digit code. After scanning, enter the 6-digit code you receive from the Authenticator app into the designated box on your Dropbox settings page. This code is time-sensitive, so make sure to input it promptly. Once entered, simply click Next. You'll now see the option to decide where you want to receive your recovery code. If you'd rather not send it anywhere specific, another option is to jot it down or securely store it somewhere you'll remember. Whatever you choose, make certain that you save this recovery code as it's vital for accessing your account if you lose access to your authentication method. And that's it. Your Dropbox account now has two-factor authentication enabled. This extra layer of security means even if someone gets their hands on your password, they'll still need the additional authentication token to access your account. Remember, keeping your digital information secure is always worth the few extra steps. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.